Hello everyone, welcome back to CAPSA. Today we will understand about magnetic resonance imaging. So magnetic resonance imaging or MRI is a medical imaging technique that does not use radiation. Instead, it uses a powerful magnet and radio waves to create detailed pictures of inside of your body. It is specifically useful for the imaging of the brain, joints, muscles, and internal organs with high clarity. Now we will understand what is the main character behind the function. So, the hydrogen proton is the main key player in the MRI. Each hydrogen atom in your body behaves like a tiny magnet. Since the human body is largely made up of water and fat, both rich in hydrogen, there are countless hydrogen protons available to generate the MRI signals. Now, what are the process? So there are three steps. First step is align. When you enter the MRI scanner, the strong magnetic field causes all the hydrogen protons in your body to align either with or against the magnetic field. Now the second step is excite. A short burst of radio frequency energy is then sent into the body. This pulse provides energy to aligned protons and causing them to flip out of the alignment. Now the last or third step is relax and detect. Once the radio wave pulse stops, the protons begin to relax and return to their original alignment. As they do, they release energy in the form of a small radio signal which is detected by a MRI scanner. Now the how the picture made. So the MRI computer processes these returning signals to form detailed images. Different tissues in the body relax at different rates, leading to two main types of images. First one is in a T1 weighted image, fat appears bright and water appears dark. In a T2 weighted image, water appears bright and fat appears darker. Special magnetic variations called the gradients, which help the scanner determine exactly where each signal is coming from, allowing it to build an accurate image. So we must need to know the safety. MRI is generally very safe, but certain precautions are essential. No metal objects or implants should be inside the body as they can be affected by strong magnet. The scanner produces loud knocking noises, so ear protection must be worn. Patients must stay completely still during the scan because movement can blur or distort the images. Now, what are the uses, main uses? MRI is widely used to detect and study like brain conditions such as tumors and stroke, joint injuries such as torn ligaments in the knee or shoulder, spinal cord or disc problem, abnormalities in the organs including liver, kidneys and heart. So we can say that in simple terms, MRI uses a magnet and radio waves to create detailed pictures of soft tissues in the body. It is safe, non-invasive and extremely powerful in diagnosing a wide range of medical conditions. So that is today's lecture. If you like it, please share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.